time nga ang chances of approval is very slim.
Ang GCP ang better.
Ang GCP is detailed yun siya, Mapia. Very detailed list of requirements. I will show you later kung unsa siya ka-detalyado. Okay? Now, the IRCC account application. This type of application is applicable for applicants with active US visa or a Canada visa issued in the past 10 years. This application requires a few documents such as, but not limited to, scanned copy of passport, scanned copy of US visa / previous Canada visa, scanned copy of passport stamps and other visas. You upload it under others. Scanned copy of marriage contract if applicant travels with husband or wife. Scanned copy of birth certificate if applicants travels with children, and so on. Actually, mora ni imong pangayoon sa imong pax kung na siya active US visa. No more financial documents, no more ITR, no more anything. Pag naay active US visa or a Canada visa issued in the past 10 years, kanira ang kinahanglan while using the IRCC portal account. Okay? So, habugiro mo. Ma'am, nana ka US visa daan, naa-active pa. Okay. Maura na mo pa ngayon. Wala na ilain.
Hindi na e-visa ha?
Hindi ito e-visa, Ma'am Liang. This is a physical visa na repaste. Kasi rule of thumb is, pag nakakay active US visa or a Canada visa issued in the past 10 years, rule of thumb is, you don't need to submit financial documents. Bangko, ITR, anak, wala na siya. That is why there's a big difference between GCKey and the IRCC portal. That is why I have been using that kasi depende sa pasahero kung may US visa siya or Canada visa siya dati, dito ko siya i-apply. Pero kung wala, Schengen lang, dito na ko siya sa IRCC, sa GCKey i-apply.
Wala na ni Bayo.
Na both have bio gihapon. Kanilang siya is more gid ang pangayoon. Actually, kung saan ay kailangan nila, copy of passport, copy of US visa. Under sa copy of US visa, kung imuhang visa na sa old passport, then copy of the passport kung asa imuhang US visa. Kung diingon ka, married ka, and then traveling with husband, automatic mo, hatag po na siya og marriage contract, i-upload nimo, and then wala na. So, naay others. Sa others, magpahambog na ka, daghanag na atuan akong fax, daghan na siya stamps, daghan na siya travel. That is para malaman ni Canada nga, nagiday ni capacity to travel.
Kung wala ay active US or Canada na Schengen,
Dito ko sa GCK.
so
This one,
requirement yun ang US visa,
Yeah.
previous Canada.
Active US dapat active. Because you will input the US visa number. Kung expired ang US visa number, dili siya mo push through. Kabalo ang system sa Canada nga active imo ang US visa. Yes, Ma'am Bia?
Ulitin ko ha, kung merong valid na US visa sa GCK mo ipasok,